Hello, so I am going to be doing a review on a new hairdryer that I got today from Walmart. So today's hairdryer that I got is the Kiss brand. So this is it. So this is what it looks like out of the box. Notice it's red and black like Harley Quinn. And the attachments comes with 2 detanglers, and then this big thing that some salon hair dryers have is for those who have longer hair. I think you're supposed to twist it and whatnot. I'm not really sure. You can look it up. And then no clue on what this one is. It kind of does something, I don't know. And yeah, that's about it.